Alright, on this video I'll be showing you guys how to make realistic lips with pen. I'll be using pencil, some pen and an eraser, and of course the paper I'll be drawing on. I'll first use the pencil to make a rough sketch of the lips. Then I'll define the outline properly with the pen. There should be no thick line in between the incisors teeth. That will make it look more realistic. I will start by adding the first layer that will not be too thick, it will not be too dark. It will just give me a base where I can start shading from, because I want the finished work to be a lips that is a bit wet, like a female lips that is wet. If you want tips that will help you get better in pen art, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss my new videos. This next layer is going to be dark and we have some little details on it, just so I can pick from there and I'll continue the next layer. I will do the same for the down lips. Now I'll start adding details. will use a very light shading for the teeth because I will want it to be a bit white but in a realistic way, and I need to be patient when making this one too, because any mistake here is going to be very visible because this place need to be just plain. So I need to be very careful when shading areas like this. Here you also see why I didn't make a bold line in between the incisors teeth. So you see how the teeth is going to look realistic. Alright, that's how you make a realistic lips drawing. It's very easy. You just need to understand how to shade and other principles concerning pen drawing. And I've been making tutorials on how to make realistic pen drawing. So check the video on the description and try to learn more about pen drawing from my videos, and then you come back and then you know everything I did here exactly. Don't forget to like, share and comment.